3-ingredient mixture improves vision and liver detoxification. Homemade vegetable juice is definitely the best beverage you could get. This type of juice is affordable by anyone and it provides numerous health benefits. It is important that you include more vegetables and fruits in your regular diet in order to maintain your overall health. Veggies and fruits are packed with anti-inflammatory properties and also they contain natural sugars and calories that are great for your health. In this video we are going to present to you how to prepare healthy and nutritional juice. This recipe originates from Venezuela and it is known as Jugo Tres Uno. It contains amazing and tasty ingredients that provide health benefits. The recipe that we are going to present to you is consistent of carrot, orange, and beet juice. Here is how to prepare it. Ingredients: carrots 2, beet 1 cup, oranges 2, honey 1 tablespoon, optional. Instructions: you will need to wash the ingredients and peel them. Put all ingredients in a juicer or blend them. Make sure that you drink this beverage right after you prepare it, and while it is still fresh. Feel free to change the amount of carrots, oranges, and beets that you are using for preparation. In order to reduce the sugars in this beverage you should reduce the amount of oranges you are using. If you decide to do so you need to include different vegetables that contain vitamin C, such as kale and celery. This beverage is packed with healthy nutrients and it is considered to be superfood. Here are more details in regards to the properties of the ingredients used. Oranges. Oranges are packed with flavonoids, B vitamins, potassium, and vitamin C. The flavonoids found in oranges are great for treatment of chronic inflammation and preventing serious diseases such as osteoporosis, cardiovascular diseases, dementia, diabetes, and cancer. Due to the high amount of vitamin C, oranges are preventing cell damage caused by oxidation and help you regulate the cholesterol levels in the blood. Beets. Beets contain thiamine and vitamin B1 which is great for the health of your gut. Also they contain many nutrients such as manganese, nitrates, minerals, and antioxidant properties. Due to the high amount of antioxidants, beets are considered to be very effective against oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. The beets juice is also great for treatment of chronic illnesses and different conditions such as atherosclerosis. On the other hand, it could help you reduce high blood pressure. Regular use of beets can help you improve the blood circulation and stimulate the cognitive impairment. Also it is great for the health of the kidneys and liver. Carrots. Carrots contain manganese, potassium, iron, magnesium, beta-carotene, and vitamin A. Also it contains great anti-inflammatory properties that are great for your eyesight. Due to the high amount of vitamin A it can help you improve your vision and help you treat any eye condition. In case your body lacks vitamin A it could hinder eye disorders. On the other hand, the health benefits that carrots provide can help you repair skin damage and prevent skin cancer. Also the high level of potassium can help you stimulate the function of your kidneys and eliminate any toxins present in it. Last but not least, make sure that you share this very useful information with your friends and family. You may help someone in need. Thank you and have a nice day.